to love the world. God He gave His only Son, that whoever believes on Him will not perish but will have everlasting
Ito pala,
life.
para mo padayon siya.
John 3:16 means you can be born again. John 3:16 means you can be born again. John 3:16. For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in Him should not perish but have everlasting life. Amen.
Asa man sa nila?
Wow, Bible.
Pangtaan sa nila sige, pangtaan yaya. Na ang sa nila sa